exercises that you can do at home. Number 1, running on the spot. A running-like movement without going anywhere. You can change your pace to be fast or slow. Number 2, star jumps. Jumping out and in. As you jump out, your arms go up. As you jump in, your hands are by your side. Number 3, skater jumps. Jumping side to side, using opposite arm to leg. The leg that you don't land on lands behind. Exercise number 4, punching. Fist likes hands, punching right, left, bending through your knees, and punching forward. Exercise number 5, side kicks. Kicking right to left, bending through your knees, safety precautions. You should be able to move your hands around without touching any objects. You should be at least an arm width apart from any other person. Appropriate clothing and shoes should be worn.